Jack, great. 115 grade is not very accurate. It's a lighter bullet. So, accurate bullet, you go to 120. 124.
Right about a minute, ain't it?
But these aren't very accurate. Yeah, that'll go for it.
Let's do it. Right about a minute, ain't it?
But these aren't very accurate. Yeah, that'll go for it.
Let's do it.
They ain't gonna go to the already.
This thing bad.
Yeah, I love that shit.
Well, that shit ain't got. It been.
Let that go,
That
man.
bitch just look like he ain't got no. Like I got people. That bitch. Hold it over. They ain't got no people on it. Let's do it. I'm ready to go now. That bitch just go right into my hand like that.
Oh yeah, I like it. It's nice. Shoots well. It's accurate. Recoil low, but it gets hot quick. So I do gotta put something right here. Boy, that thing hot to touch, so runs through the mag. The PSLO works with the upper. Both carry group working, so I like it. So we're gonna keep going.